Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike with Mbadiwe.com, where I review products that are going to definitely help you make money online. Today I have another amazing one. This one is called Ai Vidioz from Mbadiwe, my brother, and in a nutshell, this one turns any image, video clips, text or voice command into interactive 360 virtual tour videos that get red hot leads and hosts of buyers. And this can enable you, if it is well done, make 2,000 over and over again. You don't need any very big experience, no technical skills, and expensive gears are not required. Definitely this is what is going to do you to turn any image, video clips, text or voice command into interactive 360 virtual tour videos. You know what that means, which you can use across the social media platforms, and this will bring you leads, and depending on what you are promoting as an affiliate or whatever, you'll be able to have tons of buyers that are going to patronize you. So this is a crazy instrument that you're going to need. At any time you decide to get a copy of this, I will leave the link. First link below in my description will be the link to bring you to this amazing sales page where you pick up a copy using this button. Okay, with that said, if you stick with me, my name is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring up products that are going to digital products, softwares that are going to help you make money online and learn, of course, how to create your own digital space, because the whole world is going digital and you should have a space maintained there for yourself, and this may be one of those opportunities you need to do that. Now, if you stick with me, at any time you like, you can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And if you have anything to say, leave a comment and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, if you stick with me, I will show you the amazing bonuses that I have. Definitely also show you and you will be able to see exactly what it looks like when you buy it, and also play the demo video of this very program. This is the software actually, and you'll be able to see how exactly this works, so that when you get a copy for yourself, you'll be able to know how eventually it works. Now let's take a look at the very sales page and see exactly what you have as benefits for Ai Vidioz. It will help you create first interactive video or virtual tours in any niche in minutes with your advanced AI engine, which is the software that I've just shown you. It has everything to do this, and with this you can create and sell highly profitable 360 interactive videos and images in minutes. You can have a place in the Fiverr to be able to sell this product, or use your email newsletters to do so as well. And then you can turn any picture from your smartphone into futuristic 3D videos, powerful call to action videos, boost sales by adding clickable buttons and other links inside any video you are manufacturing in this very one, and easily embed interactive call to actions, posts, quizzes, logo, images, buttons, text, opt-ins, pop-ups, slides, and timers into your 360 videos. That's very loaded. Interactive in video opt-in forms, build massive email lists, and leveraging the latest video opt-in form technology, and you can profit from rapid buyers in real estate, Airbnb, e-com, spa, restaurants, daycares, assisted living, and hundreds of other niches. It is loaded with things you can do, and it has commercial license at no cost. And this system is complete in a way that it will help you get paid even today. Nothing to store or download, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. So that generally gives you a true picture of what Ai Vidioz is about, and you can do this without effortlessly make videos with this software, and you'll be able to spread these videos depending on the content and your keyword and your ideas to the social media where you attract audience of, you can imagine the number of audience you can get with this very opportunity. So these are some of the proofs of income that has been made with this very product during the beta testing of it, and you will be able to go through this very sales page yourself, so that we don't waste a lot of time here. Because definitely when you click that link below in my description, first link, it will bring you to this place. You'll be able to read for yourself, because definitely I can't say everything you have here, but it has 3 basic steps. You upload an image and text videos using your iPhone, Android phone, or computer, and then step 2, you will begin to create by uploading Ai Vidioz, and you create your interactive videos within a few seconds, and no technical skills is required, because everything is copy and paste and patch and play. Okay, so now step 3 will be to profit. sell them to with ease for big fat payments, and of course to businesses that desperately need this for their advertisements and all that. Okay, so it's another good one which you will consider getting if you really see your strategies working in tandem with this one. Okay, so that's what you have for the sales page, and I think it has bonuses from the vendor down below this page, where you are going to benefit once you buy these products. You will be able to have access to the bonuses you have in the members area, which I showed you before. So that's about the much we can go with this very time we have here now. So now what we are going to do is to take a look at the pricing for this product, and then we'll go to the video of this product and see exactly what it is like. The front end goes for $17, and that will give you access to this software. Okay, now you go to OTO number 1, which is the unlimited. It goes for $67. OTO number 2, $297, which is done for you, and here you have OTO number 3 for $97, and OTO number 4 for $47. Number 6 is $47. Number 7, $67, and on OTO number 8, which should be the reseller, has to be $167, and you have the OTO number 9. I believe the bundle goes for $67. So that's what you have as the pricing for this product. Quite affordable for what it does. Now let us take a look at the very video of this very software in action, and then when we come back, I will take you to my bonuses, and then we'll go from there. Okay,
how you can combine AI videos with our training materials to kickstart your own AI video agency business. Now, so I'm going to log into my account. This is AI Vidioz dashboard, and trust me, there are multiple businesses that will pay you high ticket fee for a quality interactive video talks. Let's take, for example, you can create a virtual apartment store for a real estate company. So instead of their clients coming for a physical inspection, they can do this from the comfort of their home. A virtual apartment store, as you can see, so they can see the whole story. With AI videos, you can create amazing interactive 360 videos like this. Aside that, AI videos also allow you to add in-video opt-in forms to your video, which you can use to build a massive email list by leveraging our latest in-video opt-in form technology. So you can see this is an example of a form that you can add to your video and collect your customers' data. You can collect their name, their email. You can add any feed that you like to this video. You can customize everything. You can change the color, the text, the button, fonts, and all that. So you can do all of this live inside your video. You can collect your customers' data and also engage them or close them for your products. Aside that, AI videos also allow you to engage your video viewers with interactive, clickable call to actions like polls, quizzes, logos, images, buttons, text, links, pop-up sliders, timers, so you can boost engagement and sales. As you can see, you can add products to your videos. There's a product and you can buy, your customers can buy your product live inside your video. How awesome is that? Aside that, you can add YouTube.
Let me show you the bonuses I have for you, about 7 of them thereabout. Bonus number 1 is a software and training course called Latitude, and it's a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits from NFTs and blockchain exchange, dealing with digital apps. Now you have also the bonus number 2 as TweetX, which is a Chrome extension application that is going to help you actually siphon traffic from Twitter to any of our link of your choice. You have Insurgency, which is a training course and how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You also have the Blazing Traffic Sniper, which is a traffic software that is going to help you snipe traffic from different social media sources. And you also have this one, which is JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot software that is going to help you get 4-figure daily commissions. And you also have the bonus number 6, the lockdown formula, which is a beginner-friendly training on how to start and scale digital marketing generally, depending on your niche or whatever niche you want. Now you have the bonus number 4, which is the toolbox. I call it the commission toolbox, which means with these tools you can make commissions easily online, because it's over 1,000 of them under this link. And at any time you buy this product, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this. This button here will give you access to AI videos, and here you have this blue one giving you access to these amazing bonuses I have for you. And of course, that will bring us, I believe, very close on this review. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. My name remains Mike, Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.